Hello friends, so welcome to the channel of Pro and MathCAD videos, tutorials actually. Today we're gonna see symbolic calculations in MathCAD. Symbolic calculation in MathCAD, we can define it as a very powerful tool to solve the equations. In every aspect of engineering applications, we're gonna need this symbolic toolbar. You can see the template here, symbolic toolbar. So various types of constants you can see here, like functions, modifiers, float. You're gonna need them all for different kind of operations according to requirement. Now let's see, we have a general quadratic equation, x square plus bx plus c, and you all know that what is the value of x, a, b and c. In that case you have a complicated equation. This is just a tutorial. So for those who do not know the answers of this type of equations, how to use the symbolic toolbar to solve this. Let you wanna find the value of x in this equation. So what you gonna do, go to symbolic tab in MathCAD and then variables and then solve. So here is the result, bingo. You just press the variable and then solve and you get your results. So now in case you have to find the value of c, then again table and solve, you get the value of c. If the value of 1, to find the value of b. So it can solve all type of equation. Now see, I wanna change a to 5. What happens? Nothing happens. The results are static. So we just see the symbolic calculation, such a powerful tool, and the second step, its disadvantage, drawback, that the results are static. They did not change if you changes the variable. So in the case you are just doing a simple calculation work, not so much programming type. So for your good sake of word, you can use the symbolic because it is very fast. Okay, so now what to do if we're gonna change the variables all. So like we have the same equation, so you can see here a symbolic keyword evaluation, but you're gonna need another cheese, and that thing is Control Shift and period. You have to press, again gonna see Control plus Shift and plus period. You have your keyboard, you're gonna see that here in your keyboard. Now again, so where we are, like here, now you have to type the keyword solve, then press what you want to find, x. That's it, and here your result. Oh sorry, remember the just Control Shift and period. It works the same as you see the symbolic calculation just before. Now in case you're gonna need c, just press c and your results. Now same, we have the same equation, same, everything is same. Now what is the different about this another tool, that is Control Shift function. So let we change this a 6, and you see all your answers are changes. Put this as equal to 5, and you wanna put this equal to -9. You have your results. So here the results are not static. You change the equation, the results gonna change. So this is basically made MathCAD so strong that it has a vast variety of functions that gonna make you wonder how these calculations are. The calculations are just so fast, and it is before you can see how these functions work. So this is just an introduction part to symbolic calculations. So stay tuned to the channel for more different types of videos to symbolic calculation. Thanks for watching. Hello friends, today we're gonna see solve function in MathCAD. In the previous tutorial we see the given and find function. So basically given and find function works for a linear set of equations and you have to find the value of variables. So in there you have to put the guess values and then given, then equations, and then find actually. So if you want to skip whole that mess like guess values and given, you just go through a solve function in MathCAD. Now consider if you have a number of equations, like here in this case we have 4 equations, 4 variables. So you wanna see a method which can easily add up more equations and solve accordingly. If you changes one equation, then you can see the results. So solve function have a similar kind of work here. It has 2 parts. One is matrix and another one is vector. Matrix basically defines the coefficients of the variables like x, y, w and z. You just have to put the coefficients in the matrix form and all the constants like 5, 0, 9, 10, whatever it is, in the vector form. Now in this case we have a matrix form like this, and you can see here 4 equations and 4 variables. So you want to insert a 4 into 4 matrix. So 4, 4, and you get your matrix. Now just type the variable x first, then y, and then w0 and z1. You can press tab key to switch between the values, placeholders actually. So in second case, okay, now again vector form. So this is the matrix form. Now you have to put the vector form. Again you can see a matrix of 4 into 1, actually 1 column. So 5, 0.9, 10, 3.2. So now just simple, you have to type the solve function to see the results. Put paracenthesis m comma v, close the bracket, and that's it. You're gonna type solution again and then press the equal to sign. Here all your answers, starting from x and ending to j. So where we can use the solve function, the basic need of this function. In the case you have a linear set of equation, so you are most welcome to use the solve function. Now in some electrical networks where you have to find the current, potential, resistances, everything, you have complicated loop and you have a circuits loops. So you just makes equations of the variables denoting current, potential, reference, and all resistance, all that stuff, and you can solve using this function. In another words, we can say that in the pipe networks, mechanical engineering basically, and they can understand the piping networks have a different types of equations, some constants also. So you can set up a simple program that can solve this type of equations easily. So this is the basic need of the solve function. So hope all you like it. Thanks for watching.